Automation and robotics have become central to modern pharmaceutical production, reshaping how medicines are developed, manufactured, tested, and distributed. Their role spans routine, high-precision tasks to complex, adaptive processes, delivering higher throughput, tighter quality control, improved safety, and greater regulatory compliance. The following summarizes the key applications, benefits, challenges, and emerging directions. Applications: drug discovery and development, automated liquid handling systems, high-throughput screening robots, and robotic colony pickers accelerate assay setup, sample processing, and data generation. This reduces cycle times in lead identification and preclinical screening while improving reproducibility. Upstream and downstream manufacturing, robotics support aseptic transfer, sterile filling, vial handling, and container closure operations. Automated bioreactor control and robotic sampling enable tighter process control in biologics production. Downstream purification benefits from automated chromatography systems and integrated process analytical technologies, PAT. Quality control and analytics, automated sample preparation, robotic plate handling, and mass spectrometry at autonomous HPLC interfaces speed analytical workflows and reduce human error. In-process sensors and PAT combined with automated feedback loops support real-time release testing and continuous quality assurance. Packaging and labeling, high-speed robotic palletizing, labeling, serialization, and inspection systems ensure product traceability and regulatory compliance while increasing line speeds and reducing downtime. Warehouse and supply chain, automated guided vehicles, AGVs, autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, and automated storage and retrieval systems, ASRS, optimize inventory management, cold chain handling, and order fulfillment, critical for temperature-sensitive biologics and vaccines. Benefits: consistency and quality. Robots execute repetitive tasks with minimal variability, improving batch-to-batch consistency and lowering the incidence of defects or contamination. Productivity and throughput. Automation reduces cycle times, increases operational uptime, and enables 24/7 production where appropriate, boosting manufacturing capacity without proportional increases in labor. Enhanced safety and compliance. Automation removes personnel from high-risk zones, hazardous substances, sterile environments, and enforces standardized procedures that support regulatory requirements such as GMP, serialization mandates, and data integrity norms, ALCOA+. Cost control and scalability. While capital investment can be substantial, automation reduces long-term labor costs, minimizes waste, and allows scalable ramp-up for demand surges, e.g. pandemic vaccine production. Data integrity and traceability. Digital automation systems produce audit-ready records, facilitate real-time monitoring and analytics, and support lifecycle documentation necessary for regulatory submissions and inspections. Challenges and considerations. Validation and regulatory requirements. Automated systems must be rigorously qualified and validated, IQ, OQ, PQ, and integrated with validated software systems. Demonstrating data integrity, reproducibility, and traceability remains a major focus for regulators. Integration complexity. Retrofitting legacy facilities with automation can be disruptive. Interfacing disparate control systems, ensuring consistent data models, and achieving seamless material flow require careful engineering and project management. High upfront costs and ROI uncertainty. Capital expenditure for robotics, cleanroom-compatible designs and validation can be large. Clear business cases and phased implementations help manage financial risk. Workforce transformation. Automation shifts the workforce from manual operators to roles requiring robotics, systems integration, and data analytics skills. Training and change management are essential to realize full benefits. Flexibility versus specialization. Highly specialized automated lines can be efficient but potentially inflexible for multi-product or small batch operations. Modular, reconfigurable robotics and flexible automation platforms mitigate this trade-off. Best practices for implementation. Start with high-impact, low-complexity targets. Begin automation with tasks that promise immediate quality or throughput gains, e.g., sterile filling, sample prep, to build momentum and demonstrate ROI. Embrace modular standardized architectures. Use modular robots, standardized communication protocols, and interoperable software stacks to simplify upgrades and product changeovers. Integrate PAT and digital twins. Model-based control and digital twin simulations facilitate process optimization, predictive maintenance, and what-if analyses prior to physical deployment. Prioritize cybersecurity and data governance. Automated control systems must be secured against cyber threats, and data flows compliant with regulatory expectations for electronic records. Invest in people. Offer cross-functional training in automation maintenance, systems engineering, and data science to ensure teams can operate and optimize automated systems. Future trends. Collaborative robots, cobots. Cobots that safely work alongside humans will increase flexibility on production lines, enabling mixed human-robot workflows for complex assembly or inspection tasks. AI-driven process optimization. Machine learning applied to PAT data will enable adaptive control strategies, anomaly detection, and more efficient process development. Continuous manufacturing. Integration of robotics with continuous upstream and downstream processes will accelerate product release and reduce footprint compared with batch manufacturing. Advanced analytics and digitalization. Greater use of cloud-native manufacturing execution systems, MES, edge computing, and visual inspection via computer vision will further improve quality, predictive maintenance, and overall equipment effectiveness. Decentralized and flexible production. Smaller, highly automated facilities tailored for regional or rapid response needs, emergency vaccine surge capacity, will become more feasible. Conclusion. Automation and robotics are transforming pharmaceutical production from a labor-intensive, batch-oriented industry into a more agile, data-driven, and reliable sector. Realizing the benefits requires careful alignment of technology, regulatory compliance, and workforce capabilities. When implemented strategically, prioritizing modularity, validation, and people, automation delivers safer products, faster delivery, and sustained competitive advantage.